money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? It's OD back with another video. And today I got two clear cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, whatever it is they want to call it now these days. It's like for real. Alright, so I got one with a kickstand and one without a kickstand. The Spigen is without the kickstand. That's usually my brand. I had the kickstand. I don't know what's going on with it. And then I got the ESR, which I actually got on my my Note 10. So I wanted something similar with the kickstand because I like that kickstand functionality. Pop it out, watch, you know what I mean, YouTube or videos, whatever you're doing. Kickstand is real firm, but we're gonna see how this one is. So let's get into the Spigen one first. See how it is. Alright, so Spigen joint right here. Feels good, non-slippery. Feels real good in the hand, no homo. And yeah, I was a little concerned that it'd probably be too slippery, but it's good. But it don't have that kickstand. But as you can see the color in the back. Make sure you show off those colors because, you know, that's the whole point of buying it, right? You know what I mean? Well, that's one of the points, right? So let's try the one with the kickstand now. Take this case off. So that's the Spigen one. Let's get into this one right here. This one got a pop. Let's pull out the knife. This one coming a little more fancier packaging. Okay, double plastic. All right, that's lift that up. Let's put it in there. All right, yeah. I mean, I'll be honest with you. I feel like the Spigen is more. It's more durable. It feels better, even without the phone in my hand. But this one has the. Let me check the buttons. Yeah, the buttons work. Ports are good lined up. This one has a kickstand, so that's what I'm excited about. You know what I mean? So that right there sells it for me. You know what I mean? With the kickstand, just having both of them up like that. You know what I mean? Watching like two videos, watching the Netflix and the Hulu, and watch YouTube over there. Listen, I can do it and understand both of them fine. Some people can't. I understand. Some people say, you know, why you need two phones. That's a different story. You already know. You know what I mean? People have two phones. Know why they got two phones. You know what I mean? You basically, you know, business phone and, you know, regular house phone, you know? And I ain't talking about street business. I'm talking about business. But anyway, that's about it. And yeah, if you have any questions, I might be sending this one back. Now I'm in this Spigen because I don't really need this. Matter of fact, bump it. You got an iPhone watching this video, like and subscribe. You know what I mean? And I'll give a win out in like a week or so. I'll throw this at. You know what I mean? So, yeah, might as well. Ain't no point in sending it back. You know what I mean? Need a case for your phone, holla at your boy. You know what I mean? This is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. You know what I mean? Throw it right back in the box. Let me know, send it out to you. Alright, like, subscribe. You know what I mean? You gotta be subscribed. Drop that like button. Alright? I send it to you. Give it away. Why not? Alright, that's about it. You know what I mean? Like I always say, you got any questions, holla at your boy. And I'll holla at you later. Easy.